Here we go, heat training, Isaiah Vasco. Time. Ten seconds, 9, 8, 7, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Calm down for 20 seconds. We're doing a heat training, guys. This is how you get bursts. This is our cardio burst instead of running all over the place and making your legs all weak. Ten more seconds, and we're gonna rip for 20 seconds, all right? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. 20-second rip. Let's combos. Isaiah Vasco in action. Nobody's gonna stop him. He's on a mission. 5 more seconds, son. Let's go. Rip, rip. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. "20 seconds. Half speed move. Quarter speed move. Take your breaths, and we're going to rip up in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. 20 seconds. Five seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.